I apologize for shaky camera hands. I just wanted to showcase something here. So I am working on some more GS4s with sound. Those ones made it through testing just fine. They're almost done. So I had one that was giving me a direct short, and this is similar to the one I had that a direct short. You know, put my diode probes up to the upper and lower drawbars, and I was getting a short on one side and it was doing wanky things. I want you to look carefully at this hole that's been tapped and threaded here. There's just enough of a burr. I'm not sure how well this is going to zoom in. That even with that little plastic insert that goes over the screw, there's a little fine hair of metal, shaving of metal, that was causing the upper right frame to ground out against the lower right frame here. So obviously when you apply a DCC decoder, you know, or sound decoder in this case, we got a ESU low sound decoder. When it feeds through the drawbar over to there, feeds back on itself, and you will fry the decoder if you put it on there. Luckily I caught it on a programming track, and I've worked on enough of these to know what's going on here to at least check. But that one's real obvious to see. You can see that just like chunk of threaded material there. So I will go ahead and clean that up, and I would bet money this is going to work fine after that. But if you're getting funky results, always stop and figure out why. Don't just toss it on a live track and hope for the best, because that never works out well. You poof the decoder and then you get pissed off at ESU thinking it's their fault, and then you go, Kato's a piece of junk and it's their fault, when it's something relatively simple like this, but you got to dig down to it. Now, I really don't think Kato would have caught this because they don't test this stuff on DCC. This would have tested just fine. Yeah, see, it just broke off now. This would have tested just fine on DC at the factory when they manufactured these. So, because it would have just, you know, track power. It's not going to matter if it goes there or not. So, anyways, there you go. Hope you learned something. Have a great day.